Hey and welcome to another Blender tutorial. In this video I will show you how to quickly and easily create a simple crown cork bottle cap using basic modeling techniques. This tutorial is perfect for beginners, so let's get started. Start by pressing Shift A and add the cylinder. In the panel that appears in the bottom left corner, change the number of vertices to 42, since a crown cork typically has 21 ridges and therefore 42 side faces. Move the cylinder slightly upwards by pressing G, then Z, so it's easier to work with it. Go into edit mode by pressing Tab, select the top face in face select mode, then move it downwards slightly by pressing G, then Z. This gives the cap a flatter and more realistic shape. Now bevel the top edge by pressing Ctrl B. Move your mouse to control the bevel width, and use the mouse wheel to increase the number of segments for a smoother result. Select the bottom face and delete it by pressing X, then choose Faces. We remove this face because the inside of the cap should remain open. Next, select the bottom edge loop by holding Alt and left click on one of the bottom edges. Then press F3 to open the search menu, type checker deselect and confirm it. This will deselect every second face, leaving an alternating selection pattern around the cap. Since we want to extrude the selected part inward, press Alt E and choose Extrude Faces along normals. Move the mouse slightly inward to create the inner rim of the bottle cap. Next, select the two faces at the opening gap, then press Ctrl and numpad plus to expand the selection to the surrounding faces. When you are done selecting, delete them by pressing X and choosing Faces. Select all remaining lower edge sections using the same selection method as before, then scale them outward by pressing S and moving your mouse. Make sure your pivot point is set to median point, so everything scales evenly from the center. Now change the pivot point to individual origins and press S again to scale inward slightly. This sharpens each edge and gives the crown cork a cleaner, more defined shape. Finally, press Ctrl 2 to add the Subdivision Surface modifier, right-click the model and choose Shade Smooth for smoother shading. Then, in the Modifier tab, add the Solidify to give the cap some realistic thickness. If you have shading problems like I do, simply go into Edit mode and insert the top face with I to create more geometry. And that's it, your model is done. If you enjoyed this tutorial, make sure to leave a like and subscribe for more Blender tutorials. Feel free to drop a comment below if there's anything else you'd like to learn. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.